Planning a special event or classy dinner with friends? The awesome folks at Garvee Home recently sent us these gorgeous chafing dishes to try out and share our results with you. And what better occasion than our lakeside 4th of July breakfast to put them to the test? Let's take a closer look at the unboxing and come back to this.
In front of you will see 3 golden stands.
Yes, she challenged me. We thought this was going to take a long time and be very difficult. We were surprised when it wasn't. You can instantly feel the quality. These 5-quart round chafing dishes are made with really nice thickened stainless steel, corrosion resistant for outdoor use.
All right, what's the next set of instructions?
Garvee Home thought of everything. Each set comes with a handy serving spoon and tongs. Definitely makes serving a breeze and keeps things sanitary.
Now you should find the biggest bowl.
So how do they work? They can keep food warm or cold depending on what you need. There are 2 pans. One is your food pan where you serve your food from. The other is a pan below that where you add warm water. Then you add a sterno fuel canister in its slot below that, and it holds your food warm for as long as you need it. If you want to hold your food cold, simply add ice to the pan below instead of warm water. These are amazing 5-quart chafing dishes. And yes, she beat me on a technicality. Hey, these chafing dishes were so beautiful, we decided to invite some friends over later that night and use them again. This time we cooked a beautiful fettuccine alfredo with broccoli and everybody loved it. Loved it and the presentation. We put garlic bread in the other one, which was fantastic. It held them at a perfect serving temperature and everyone enjoyed. These Garvee Home chafing dishes will look beautiful at any event on any table, and I can assure you, you won't regret getting yourself some. You'll feel like you have a professional buffet setup right from your home, thanks to Garvee Home.